verify the hardware is perfect. Now we simplify and build the foundation clearly. Text. Alright, now let's finally upload this. And you know what? While that uploads, I want to change rotation to 3. No, that's gonna take a while, isn't it? System can't find. What? Okay, should be fine now. Yep, sketch. Very low, almost nothing compared to graphic text, just prints hello world. Set color, text function is ready. Tell me what you see. Set cursor, set, okay. So, okay, what if I said to set text colors, fill screen with all black. Isn't white wouldn't white be that? Okay, and then this has to be 4 then. I prefer seeing colors like that. Yeah, FFF, I want it to be a white background, which is why I'm doing it. I'm just going to do that. And it is white. Fan-friggin-tastic. Okay. Set color, that's screen text. I guess that's medium. What if I did 5? Set cursor, XY position. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. I guess because the screen is, what did we say the screen was before? 320 by 480, so what it'd be like 40 in the X direction and 120 in the Y. So what if I did 0, 0? Okay, so size is a little larger. Text is there. Hello world. That's what that says. That's if, let me show the code real quick. That's with this code, with all of the libraries put in there. Full screen, well this should say white, but if it was black it'd be 0000. Green text, I might change that at a later date. Medium, well 3 was medium, 5, I don't know, let's change this to 2, I can show you the change. And set cursor, again if this is 320, so I showed you, so this right here is at 00, so that's X is from the left side and Y is from the top side. So it's 0 all the way to the left, 0 all the way to the top, XY. So let's say I want it to be halfway down, that'd be 160. And I don't want it completely on the side, so let's say 40. Okay. Uploading that, and then that should change. Run the, while we're waiting on that, I want to fast forward to the next part. See what can be done. Read ID, blah blah blah. Draw boxes, prepare the, yeah. Interesting that it's so far, oh, because the X is in the left position. Alright, that's my bad. This should be 40 and we want it from the Y, 480 divided by 240. Okay, so now it's going to, well, I'm gonna put it 25 from the X 25 in, and then halfway down 240, and then it's gonna change. So let's let it do that. You know what? And then I'm going to mess around with this. Hello world. TFT. Is code on. And then it changed to project. You now have full control. Okay. It doesn't go to next line, so hold on. I think I need to adjust the code. What was that C++ code? Wasn't it like \n? That means I'm gonna have to figure that out. Hold on. I think the fidelity screen is if I want to make this, no, I'll just disconnect it. If I want to make this the plant project, right? I'm going to need to have access the SCL. Where are we? I'm going to need to have access to the SCL and SDE pins. Okay. SDA and SCL pins, but they are being blocked by the thing here. I guess technically I could go from these bottom ones, but that would make a large mess out of this. So I'm gonna ask chat what can be done. Let's go back over here.